Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing this makeup look for you guys. I am going to class at 2:50, so I have time. So I was like, let's do two videos. So I'm going to do my video, which is makeup tutorial, and I have another video after this, which you guys will see this look in the next video. But I will show you guys everything that happened here through this tutorial. So let's get right into this video. So it is currently 9:32, y'all. My skin is so crazy. I'm still trying to fix my skin. It's early. I have class at like 2:50 actually. So I was like, I'll do some videos today, which will make the time go by faster. Plus, I can just get ready on camera and then just head out. So I'm gonna do my makeup on camera. You're not gonna see it on my vlog because this is different. This is gonna be on my YouTube channel. Well, both is gonna be on my YouTube, but this is the vlog and that's a tutorial. My cough is getting kind of ready. I had to go get some medicine this morning. Also, if y'all see the lip, this is ridiculous. Y'all would not even believe how I even got this. I didn't want to mess with it because I think it was kind of like clotted up. I was waking up and I turned around, like, you see how my bed is? Yeah, I think the mark is still there. I moved my head forward and like hit my lip on the wall and legit like bit it. So that's why this looks like this. So don't be worried. That's just what that is. And I had to look for some Zyrtec immediately. I don't even know where it said. Thank God my face didn't swell up because any trauma to my face will swell up. So got lucky today. I just need to go away. The lighting is real when you're up close. I'm just playing. I'm gonna start moisturizing my face, y'all. As always, because I have really dry skin, and ignore the amount I legit bit my lip hitting the wall. This is so crazy. Too early in the morning for this stuff, y'all. I just didn't want to mess with it because it kind of clouded up and I didn't want to make it worse. So I was like, let me just not mess with it. So yeah, let me fix it. Okay. So I'm going to start by first doing my eyebrows, y'all, because I didn't do them yesterday. I was cute yesterday, but I didn't do them. But I wanted to do it today. I not even have my brushes ready. I'm so unprepared. Okay, y'all, I'm using my BH Cosmetics Ultimate Brow Palette. And I'm just going to fill my brows in. I feel like I have to bring this camera down more. And I'm just looking at them in my mirror over here, y'all. This look will be on my next video, which is some, I have some for clothes, so that'll be my next video. That's why I'm doing my makeup. This is also for my look for class today. Even though I wasn't gonna wear any makeup today for class, but since I'm doing the video, I'm gonna keep it on. I'm going to take my Cool Tan concealer and I'm going to conceal my brows. And it's funny because I'm not even like close to the mirror. I have it propped up behind my camera, so I don't know. I can see a little bit, but I can't see the best. So I finished my brows, y'all, and I'm talking like this. I got a cough drop in my mouth. I already did the concealer on my eyes, and I already said it. So we're gonna go and get into this. I am in the mood for red today. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Might just wear a sweater, but all I know is I want to wear red. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna go with my Trinity Tokyo palette because it has the brightest red. Using my compact brush, I'm gonna compact the stuff in here, and I'm gonna put it on my eye. I love this red. I really should wear a different shirt because I feel like it's gonna get everywhere. Man, look how bright that is, y'all. I'm gonna blend this out. I'm actually gonna use a from my 35M palette because it has the greens I love. This is it. That's one good thing. I should have this that tells me. I should have this thing that tells me what it is. So I'm gonna take like a lighter red. It's like a lighter violet color. I'm gonna blend it out with this. I really wanted something that can like balance the color. Like I might do it just, yeah. I can also just do like a brown on the outside, so let me see. No, we'll just stick to what we're doing. Okay, y'all, so now I'm done blending, and I left it like this because I want to show you guys, once we actually clean it up, you'll see how easy it is. Like, it looked crazy now because this red gets everywhere. Like, once you clean your face up, put your foundation, it'll be perfect. So next we're going to go in with the eyeliner. And I'm using my NYX, is it NYX? NYX liquid liner. I'm so happy I got liquid liner, I'll tell y'all that. Like, it really makes a difference. Like, seriously. Like, it's just so relaxing to put on for me now. Like, I had the marker at first, and I don't even have to put none over this. So, yeah, it's perfect. Okay, now I'm done with my liner, and this one is always so weird. I swear, this doing your left side of the face is so crazy, y'all. So, I'll fix it later when I do my concealer. So, I'm going to go in with this foundation, which I'm excited because I'm ready to clean this face up. I use a 355 Fit Me Maybelline foundation. This is the matte version, the matte and poreless. Which they're not lying. This stuff like looks seriously matte, y'all. Well, you can already see how simple it is, like cleaning your face up. When you put on foundation, because you would have had your eyeshadow everywhere. Depending on the color, like red, I just swear red gets everywhere to me. It also depends on the palette. Sometimes you have looser eyeshadows than the other. Then you also don't have to worry about getting all that in the middle because you're going to do your concealer, which is all obviously is closer under your eye. But it's better to get as much as possible. And I also do on top of my brows just because I don't put concealer up there. So I just make sure I get that part too. So now I am going to take my toffee in the color Fawn, and I'm going to put that under my eyes. This is where we're going to get the rest of that eyeshadow off and just conceal under her eyes. And I do two different colors because one of them is lighter than the other one, and the other is tanner than the other one, so it's a good blend. Okay, y'all, now that we're done blending, well, yeah, done blending everything, I'm going to set my face with some powder. And I think I'm actually going to first I'm going to put this, I'm going to set it because I'm going to have to fix them anyway. I got to put the red under my eye because I feel like that's going to go everywhere. I just know it. You just have that gut feeling. Red normally does it. And I already feel like I'm going to have to fix some stuff. I wish I could be the person to do like all the contour. I don't do all that. I don't got time for that. Because knowing me, my skin is already very oily. So I'll have to be fixing stuff, especially when you do like the liquid contour. Oh my God, my face would be a mess, literally a mess, y'all. So I'm looking in the mirror. I am now gonna go in with some blush and highlighter because I need to lighten this face out. I'm using the Blush and Poly palette from BH Cosmetics. Red looks so good with this hair. I'm very happy. I'm going to take the Sunkissed, which is a gold highlighter. I gotta do something about this, y'all. Like, I cannot be showing. I need this to be showing. I don't even know how to think that I like punched in the face. People think when they don't know it. But I legit just like bit my lip. That's what's funny. I'm just being extra, y'all. If it even did anything, but it looked like it kind of did. Just like putting highlight on your eyebrows, that's funny. So I am now I'm gonna finish. So I'm gonna set my face, put my lashes on, and y'all will see the finished product because I already got a feeling this gonna take a while. And this is the finished look, guys. I absolutely love how it turned out. It didn't take that long, surprisingly. It always takes longer for my lashes for some reason, but I got them on pretty fast, and I absolutely love how it's turned out. One color, Actually 2, because I blended it with 2. So, but I love it. This is it, guys. I'm gonna have to cover this today. I'm gonna have to figure something out. But this is it. It is only currently 10:15, so I got a lot of time. So you're gonna see this whole makeup look in my next video, because I'm gonna be doing another video after this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Titania Green. And my link to my Facebook is also on my channel, like info too. So also my Instagram, all the links are up there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Welcome new subscribers, and I will see you guys on the next video.